Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of logging into your Verizon FiOS Business account. Whether you're managing services for your business or just need to check your account details, we've got you covered with a simple, step-by-step walkthrough. Follow the instructions below to get started. Step 1. Open the Verizon FiOS Business login page. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Verizon FiOS Business login page. You can do this by typing Verizon FiOS Business login into your search engine or directly visiting https://www.verizon.com/business. Step 2. Locate the login section. Once you're on the home page, scroll down or look for the login section at the top right of the screen. You should see a button that says Sign In or My Business Account. Click on it to be directed to the login page. Step 3. Enter your username and password. On the login page, you will be asked to provide your credentials. Enter your Verizon FiOS Business username in the first field, followed by your password in the second field. Double-check your username and password for accuracy before proceeding. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication, if applicable. For added security, Verizon FiOS Business may require you to verify your identity using two-factor authentication, 2FA. This could involve entering a code sent to your phone or email. If prompted, enter the code and click Submit to continue. Step 5. Click Sign In. After entering your credentials and completing any security steps, click the Sign In button. You should now be logged into your Verizon FiOS Business account. Step 6. Access your account dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. From here, you can manage your services, view billing information, track usage, and perform other tasks related to your Verizon FiOS Business account. That's it. You're now logged into your Verizon FiOS Business account. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.